Hey guys, this is Heather coming to you from the beautiful island of Dominica, where I am hanging out for a bit. And I'll show you a little bit more of the island later, but for today I wanted to make a snack. So I went for a walk to the fruit market, and what I found were passion fruit, which are one of my favorite to use, and that works perfectly because I was planning to show you a chia seed pudding that's part of the new book, the Plant-Based Diet Meal Plan. We're going to be using these 3 Navitas Organics ingredients today, which I use throughout the book, and Navitas has been kind enough to offer a giveaway to one of you. So we're going to have a little play with them, and then leave a comment down below and enter for a chance to win all 3 of these. So we've got some coconut sugar, some matcha green tea powder, and some chia seeds. In the book I use lime and coconut milk, but passion fruit is a great alternative for lime. It gets that same tanginess, but super amazing flavor, so I could not pass up the chance to use these passion fruit and show you how to put them as a different twist on this pudding. And I don't have coconut milk, which is what's in the recipe, but we're gonna use some cashew milk. Absolutely fine, it'll work out just the same. So let's get started. It doesn't really matter what order you put things in. What I'm gonna do is just mix up the matcha with the cashew milk first, just to make sure it gets fully combined. And if you like, you can use a matcha whisk. I don't travel with mine, so I'm just using the spoon we've got in this lovely guest kitchen here. So that's looking quite a bit better and smoother. Beautiful coconut sugar in here. If you look inside, you can see it's all like granules. So it's not like a refined sugar or even like brown sugar, which is white sugar with molasses added back to it. Coconut sugar is just dehydrated from the coconut. If you prefer, you can use stevia here. And the super easy way of making this is to put it all in a blender and just mix it up. So if you want to do that, feel free. And now we've got my favorite little chia seeds. They boost omega-3, they add some calcium, and they are what make this pudding into a pudding. So as they absorb this cashew milk, or coconut milk if that's what you're using, they will make kind of like a jello-y kind of texture. Look at that. So yummy. And I'm just gonna put all those seeds right in there. And I love passion fruit, so I'm gonna do 2. Not lose any of those juices. Oh, yum. I haven't had passion fruit in way too long. Once you've got it stirred up, give it a taste to make sure you like it, because some matcha powders are different. I'm gonna add a little bit more coconut sugar to mine before I put it in the fridge to set, because we cannot add any more after it gets set. So I wound up making an extra one for a friend because we weren't sure if he was going to like the matcha green tea powder. So this one is exactly the same. It just doesn't have the matcha powder in it. And you can see they're just a little bit jiggly, just like pudding. So they are ready to try. I'm going to try one of the matcha ones. Ooh. I love passion fruit. It's so good. All right, so that's gonna be a little breakfast to share. So you guys can get the recipe at a link down below the video. You can get the book, of course, which has this recipe plus lots more. Make sure you enter the giveaway for these awesome Navitas Organics products. The coconut sugar, great for any baking, it's unrefined. Some matcha powder, lovely for smoothies or puddings, and some chia seeds. So all you have to do to enter is leave a comment down below saying what you're gonna make with these goodies. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. We'll talk soon. Bye. Veganook, yeah.